Is that the, what do you call it, the emphatic?
That's the emphatic. So jer by itself means tell. Jerem, I tell. Jeremsha, I tell. Okay? So the emphatic sh can go on to lots of different things in Irish. Jerem shalat, I tell you, gomei bron ort, that there will be sorrow on you. You will be sorry. Okay? Hage and Pibera is Jack the Fiberish. So Hage and Pibera is Shaja. Shage Megas Lagiment Shach. Remember that one?
Blow?
Blow. Okay. Hage and Pibera is Jack the Fib Arish.
You blew into the pipe again.
Okay. Yeah. So what I'm going to do is hold up writing them.
Is that past tense?
Huh?
Past tense? No.
Yes. I know what I'm doing. Hage and Pibera is Jack the Fib Arish. So blew the piper into the piper again. Okay?
How do we know that's past tense?
Hage, otherwise it would be shage.
Shade.
Yeah, usually if it's aspirated, then it doesn't have any endings on it, okay? Chrinni, Pashchi, Oga, and Walia, Hart, Timpelair, Agus Iedig, Dausa, Lahas. Okay?
What about the children?
Okay, Pashchi and Walia.
The children of the town.
Children home.
Okay? So, Chrinni means gathered. Chrinni, Pashchi,
The children.
and Walia, children of the town. Okay? Chrinni,
Why would you put the pashti?
actually it's, it should be actually Pashchi, the story is Pashchi Oga
The young children.
and Walia. Yeah, because in English it's the young children of the town. In Irish you only put the second on. So you say gathered children young of the town.
Bogus plural?
You don't have the does in there twice like you do in English.
Bogus plural?
Oga is the plural of og, yeah. Okay, so Chrinni, Pashchi, Oga, and Walia. Okay. Hart Timple Air.
Gathered
Around him. Okay. Heart there means around him. Heart Timple there is just more around. You know. Okay. Timple has the idea of aroundness too, so it just emphasizes that it's around him. Heart Timple there. Agus Iad ag Dausa Lahahas.
Happily.
Yeah. Ag Dausa Lahahas. And they dancing with joy or with happiness.
With glee.
Okay? And they happily dancing, and they dancing with happiness. Okay? So, Eilish and Bibera and Shin, agus na Pashchi in Einacht leis. So, Eilish and Bibera.
They arrive for
Eilish.
That's
Eilish. Okay?
Land
in
arrive?
front of you. He arrives. He came. He.
Eilish.
In front of him. On the face of it. He arrives.
Does anyone remember like Lan Erai? Continue on. So, on with him. Okay? Eilish and Bibera.
On with the piper.
So on with the piper, or the piper went on. Okay, which is how you translate that in English. And Shin is then. Agus na Pashchi in Einacht leis.
And the children following him, with him.
With him.
It's followed.
Well, no, just
With
with
him.
him.
Together.
Enoch is with him.
Okay. In Einacht, less someone is together with.
With him.
Okay, so you can say Hanig Mahara in Einacht lo. My friend came together with me. Okay, in Einacht. Yeah, because if you say Agus na Pashchi leis, you could say that, but in Einacht leis is better because it says together with. Okay. So on with him, on with the piper, leis and Bibera, then, and the children together with him. Okay? Has an mera in Norris ahi, ig fechens orha, agus crit le hagla. Okay, so it's a lot in this one. Alright? So, has an mera.
There.
Has, shas.
The mare stood.
Okay, stood. Has an mera
Mare stood.
in Norris ahi.
In his something.
What in Norris? Doris.
In the door?
In the door.
In Norris
In door.
ahi.
Stand. Standing.
Ahi of his house.
His house.
Cha
And the he.
of house is chi.
G.
Ahi of his house.
In the door of his house.
Okay? Ig fechens orha.
Looking at them.
Ig fechens orha.
Looking at
Okay,
them.
looking on them in Irish. Agus crit le hagla.
In horror. And
Okay?
looking at
Agus
the way.
And
Okay,
Like
and he's shaking with fear.
fear.
Or crit is shaking.
Crit.
Agus crit, and he's shaking with fear. Okay. Our bashti bochte session.
The poor children.
Our bashti
Our
bochte.
poor
Our poor
children,
children.
said he.
Okay. Our bashti bochte.
Our poor children.
Wait, we give it to you again. Stop.
Okay. Our bashti bochte. Our poor children. Session. Okay.
What is their session?
Said he.
Said he.
Na lag lav orha a fibra ganwa. Okay.
Not weak.
Okay. Actually, this is a different form of log. Okay. It's actually lag, not log. So na. Good luck with pens today. Okay. Na lag lav orha. Okay.
Don't put a hand on
Yeah. Don't lay a hand on them.
on them.
Lag means to lay, or it's also used to mean to knock something down. So if anyone remembers the big bad wolf, lag. Hey checkers, lag shit and chat. So, okay. So, and he addresses him as a fibra ganwa.
Gone mad.
Without goodness.
Without goodness, right?
Okay.
You good for nothing piper.
Good for nothing.
Okay. So don't lay a hand on them. Oh, you know, oh, piper without good, or you good for nothing piper. Okay. A fibra ganwa. It's a good expression to probably know. Okay, ganwa. You want to address someone, ganwa. Without good, okay?
My mother's cat.
Ach, near each an pibra sheer.
The piper didn't listen.
Near eich.
Did not see.
Close. Near eich.
Did not see.
That's what eich means.
Look,
Look, near eich
he didn't look.
an pibra sheer.
The piper didn't
He didn't look behind.
Back.
Didn't look back. Sheer is back. Okay? So, didn't look the piper back. Near eich an pibra sheer. Tibama to Hamelin vi sleeve ard.
He brought them to the mountains.
Okay, well-
He brought-
Okay, well, Tibama
Out
the Hamelin.
He brought them out of Hamelin.
pipe.
He followed the piper out of Hamelin.
Tibama to Hamelin.
it's a teeth.
So literally side outside, but that means outside
Outside
of Hamelin. Tibama to Hamelin. Vi sleeve ard.
To the,
Yeah.
to the big
Sleeve
mountain.
ard.
To
Was,
the
V
big
is
mountain,
was,
Sleevard, the big mountain.
Okay, vi sleeve ard.
is V was?
There was a high mountain.
Oh,
Okay.
outside of the town there was a small
Okay.
mountain.
And then Dosquil Doris Snakargacha Haven Pleva Oscor and Fiber. I'm gonna have to break that one down. So Dosquil Doris Snakargacha. Okay, so Dosquil.
The doors
Doris.
opened the
So
rocks,
open the door.
of the
Dosquil
rocks.
Doris.
Of
Yeah,
the rocks.
Snakargacha, right?
The rocks.
In the rocks. Karag is a rock.
Rocks.
Snakargacha in the rocks. Have and Pleva. So Working good. Have and Pleva on the side of the mountain. Okay?